welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video because I missed you guys and I am trying to be consistent with the videos and they're coming in, okay? So basically today I'm going to be sharing with you guys gentle home hacks. When I say gentle, I'm talking basically like the soft woman era that we're in, okay? Since my whole channel is basically about becoming the better version of myself and things that I have to work on, including my surroundings. So if you're interested on gentle home hacks, stay tuned. Okay, this one here is a big one, okay? So when I say gentle home hacks, I'm basically talking about like when you're using the things inside of your home and you just like want everything to be clean and clear of, you know, any like filthiness, and you just want things to be clean. Just think about it this way. Just imagine really quick, okay? You're coming home, you're gonna cook, and the vibe you get when you're about to pull out a pot that has stains and scratches on it and it's just looks filthy, even though it's not filthy, it's just due to rust, you know, scratching with the metal and stuff like that. Now imagine coming home and you're about to cook and you're using pots and pans that are clean, free from scratches, free from rust and that black stuff that ends up being at the bottom. Just feel much more cleaner, and it kind of encourages you to cook. If you have pots and pans that are basically rusted, basically like burnt, either on the top surface and the bottom surface, they gotta go. They have to go. I'm gonna tell you a little secret that I did, and which I practiced because basically I wanted to see how these things work. So when I was moving to my place, I basically did not want to buy any type of pots and pans that had like a paint coating on them. That was just not something I was gonna do because I've had experience with them and I hate how they like scratch. And basically, you know, the way I'm thinking about it is, when did it scratch and when did the paint come off? Did it come off when I was washing the dishes, or did it come off when I was cooking? So am I eating paint? All that stuff is stuff that I thought of. So for a good amount, like I would say a good 6 years now, I do not have any pot that has paint coating on them. Nope. I spent a little bit more coins to basically get a good pot and pan. And I'm gonna be real with you. I went to, I believe, a Caribbean store. I went to Home Goods and a Caribbean store and basically bought stainless steel pots. Stainless steel, you cannot go wrong with that because it doesn't do what those, you know, everything just silver. Chef's kiss. Because your cooking will be cleaner. You don't have to worry about paint chipping in your food. You just don't have to worry about gentle cleaning them. You can clean the stainless steel as rough as you want to. Obviously, you know, not too rough, but you get what I'm trying to say. It's just so much different when you switch your pots and pans to stainless steel. Second one is changing your curtains. Okay, all right. So, you know, a lot of people like to basically buy nice thick curtains and light curtains. I'm more of the light curtain kind of girl. But what I do realize is people don't tend to wash curtains as often as they wash their bed sheets, if you get what I'm trying to say. The hack is to remember to wash your curtains. Once you get to a good routine of washing your curtains, then you can use this hack here. Basically is when you just take a water bottle and you just fill it up with detergent and spray it on your curtains, spray it on your mattress, spray it on your bed sheets. Girl, the freshness, I love it. Another hack, which I really like, is to take a scent bead of your choice. My favorite is Gain. Take the scent beads, put them inside of a spray bottle. Let them dissolve in there, okay? Shake up that bottle, okay? It might take a little bit of time for it to really completely dissolve. And spray that scent bead all over your house. It smells so delightful, and it's a great way to save because you're not putting so many beads inside of the washer anymore. You're putting it literally in a water bottle that you can spray and use the scent whenever you want. Thank me later. So if you have, you know, little rugs and runners in your place and they're busted and it's just starting to pull out and just look really time for it to be replaced, replace them. Replace them. I promise you, once you replace them, it's worth it. 1 or 2 strands, yes, replace them. Okay, when I first bought my first rug for my living room, I definitely wasn't really thinking about how it was made, if it was something that would, you know, pull out, if the threads would like pull out, be easy, all that kind of thing. So over time when you're vacuuming, it basically, you know, kind of finishes. So when I bought my second rug, I was like, this, I'm gonna go all in. I'm gonna spend a little bit more coins just to make sure this rug can last me and it's a good quality. So investing in a rug that's good quality, you cannot go wrong. Actually, right now what I really do appreciate is, I believe there's a website where you can get a rug, and this rug is basically washable. Believe me, when I get another place, I'm gonna take a look into this website because I really, really wish I could just take my rug now and put it in the washer, but you can't do that. You have to actually pay someone to go clean it. I would rather do it myself, to be honest. So it is what it is. But what I learned is to invest a little bit more coins in a good quality rug versus a cheap rug. You will thank me later. Okay, this one I'm a little bit on the edge with because I'm dealing with this myself. The sheets, okay, I'll be honest. I've invested in sheets. So whenever I'm going to like Home Goods, Marshalls, and things like that, I'm going to say it like this. I think I went to Marshalls and I purchased some bed sheets. Those bed sheets were so amazing, such a good quality. But what I do realize is they don't last as long. So again, if you want to invest in better quality sheets, Macy's, Burlington, these stores are going to be your best friend because even though the sheets are a little bit more pricey, these sheets last. So around the same time when I was moving into my space, I spent money at Marshalls and I spent money in Macy's. And I will say the different quality that I got from the Macy's sheets versus the Marshall sheets was a little bit different. If you're looking for longevity and things that actually last, invest in a good sheet. And one big one is basically getting rid of those sheets that are busted and ready to be gone. Like the little threads, the little balls that are balling up on the sheets, and the quality is just finishing and you're still using it. I'm guilty on this one too because I have one favorite sheet that's been with me for a long time and I cannot let her go, but I really need to. But basically I know when I do, I'm gonna feel so much better. Okay, this is just one of the things that I'm still struggling with. But what I've been doing to kind of like alter the fact that I do have to get rid of it, because the quality of the sheet is finishing, honey. It's done. There's nothing you can do with it really. But I've learned a trick. Instead of having that to be like on my mattress, to be the thing that I see, I purchased a duvet. Okay, the duvet is basically like a sheet that has like a zip, and basically you can put your thick sheet inside of it and then close it up. It's like you have a brand new sheet, like a brand new quality sheet. So basically the reason why I haven't thrown away the one sheet that is losing its quality and is basically balling up threads and all that kind of stuff, because I love the way it's heavy. It's just a heavy sheet, the kind of heavy sheet that you would love when you go to sleep. It gives you like a nice little hug when you're going to sleep. So basically what I've done is I purchased my duvet and basically I put the sheet inside the duvet and zip it up. Baby, no one will know. No one will know that you have a terrible quality sheet in your bedroom. No, it's literally like a cover for your sheet. Ever since I figured out that hack, I was like, thank you so much. But regardless, eventually I am going to be switching it up for sure. I just haven't came across another sheet to replace it. So in the meantime, honey, we are going to be using a duvet, okay? But trust and believe, she's going to be going soon. Purchasing new pillows. Yes, I am guilty of this too, where you're basically shopping around, especially around the first time that you were getting your place, and you're purchasing the best dang deal of a pillow. You know, like, you can get 2 for $30, you can get 2 for $55, 2 for $100. Let me get that, right? Basically, I was trying different kinds of pillows. I was just wondering, you know, what is my type? If I like feather, if I like cotton, if I like the, I believe the feeling like polyester. I tend to gravitate more towards memory foam, especially the memory foam that has like a gel filling inside. That has been a game changer. I've been sleeping so much better. Just putting the thought process in purchasing a good quality pillow, even though if it is a little bit more pricey, but not too pricey. Believe me, there's a pillow that I have my eye on, but sweetie, she is so dang high and I need to get 2 of them. All right, it's gonna have to wait. But for now, I invested in a good memory foam pillow that I really love right now. It's so nice, and I have not had to replace this in a good year, so we will see. And since we're on this topic, mattress toppers. Like, girl, I have already invested well in my mattress, but I tell you this, the mattress topper makes it even like 100% more comfortable. Mattress toppers are what makes mattresses so fluffy and so comfy. Heck, I know people who put like 2 mattress toppers. I only have 1 and I absolutely love it because it's so comfortable to sleep on. So comfortable. What I've done is basically I bought a memory foam. I believe it's a 3-inch memory foam, and then I put that on top of my mattress. Then I put the mattress topper on top of the memory foam, and so together now I basically essentially have like a nice comfort. And baby, I put my sheets over it. Comfortable, like a cloud. So fluffy. Another one is remembering to open up your windows. Let your house and space breathe. After all those fragrances that you've been putting in there, and your AC is running, yes, I get it, but nothing beats fresh air. Let your home breathe. It's so nice. Another thing that I love to do to freshen up my home, this one works so well, like so well. So basically what I do is I take a pot and I fill it up with lemon and a little bit of essential oil. I personally like to use peppermint and lavender, and I put it inside the pot with some lemon, put it up to like a good amount of heat and let it boil. That freshness that comes out of that pot, for me, I feel like it freshens up my whole space. The air feels so clean and it's just so purified. I love it so much. And that is it for my gentle hacks. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this soft woman era type hacks, please give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below what are some hacks that you guys like to use. And if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.